Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel once again. Dear viewers, do you know how to say apple in Arabic? Do you know how to say mango in Arabic? How to say banana in Arabic? Do you know how to say grape in Arabic? If you don't know, please see this video completely. Dear viewers, today I came also with new topic that will be very useful for you, and that is regarding fruits name in Arabic language. Through this video you will gain complete knowledge about fruits name in Arabic language, like how to say peach in Arabic and how to say strawberry in Arabic. So let's begin. So we will start from apple. For apple we use in Arabic tuffah. Tuffah means apple. Now see apricot. For apricot we use in Arabic mushammas. Mushammas means apricot. Now see banana. For banana we use in Arabic moz. Moz means banana. Clementine. For clementine there is no separate word in Arabic. We just use same word. So we can say as clementine in Arabic as clementine. Now see elderberry. For elderberry we use in Arabic khaman. Khaman means elderberry. Now see fig. Fig. For fig we use in Arabic teen. Teen means fig. Now see guava. For guava we use in Arabic jawafa. Jawafa means guava. Now see melon. For melon we use in Arabic shamam. Shamam means melon. Now see watermelon. For watermelon we use in Arabic batikh. Batikh means watermelon. Now see honeydew melon. For honeydew melon we use in Arabic shamam kawzil asal. Shamam kawzil asal means honeydew melon. Now see kiwi. For kiwi there is no separate word in Arabic. We just use same word. So we can say kiwi in Arabic as kiwi. Now see lemon. For lemon we use in Arabic laymoon. Laymoon means lemon. Now see mango. For mango we use in Arabic manjo. Manjo means mango. Now see nectarine. For nectarine we use in Arabic durraq. Durraq means nectarine. Now see orange. For orange we use in Arabic burtaqal. Burtaqal means orange. Now see pear. For pear there are two words in Arabic language, and these are ijasun or kumathara. Ijasun or kumathara means pear. Now see pineapple. For pineapple we use in Arabic ananas. Ananas means pineapple. Now see cherry. For cherry we use in Arabic karas. Karas means cherry. Now see quince. For quince we use in Arabic safarjal. Safarjal means quince. Now see raisin. For raisin we use in Arabic zabib. Zabib means raisin. Now see strawberry. For strawberry we use in Arabic farawala. Farawala means strawberry. Now see plum. For plum we use in Arabic barquq. Barquq means plum. Now see peach. For peach we use in Arabic khawg. Khawg means peach. Now see persimmon. For persimmon we use in Arabic kaki. Kaki means persimmon. Now see lukot. For lukot we use in Arabic iskadnia. Iskadnia means lukot. Now see horse chestnut. For horse chestnut we use in Arabic kastana ul hisan. Kastana ul hisan means horse chestnut. Now see papaya. For papaya we use in Arabic babaya. Babaya means papaya. Now see pomegranate. For pomegranate we use in Arabic rumman. Rumman means pomegranate. Now see passion fruit. For passion fruit we use in Arabic zahratul atifa. Zahratul atifa means passion fruit. Now see grape. For grape we use in Arabic inab. Inab means grape. So this is enough for today. I hope you understood very well fruits name in Arabic language through this video. So see you again with the topic inshallah in next class. Thank you very much.